SkyBox S1, a USB Skype and PSTN gateway, is the advanced version of SkyATA. With SkyBox S1, you can use desk phone to make and receive Skype and landline calls. You won't need another phone for Skype calls. Join Skype Taiwan mobile program, Skype Worldwide Go, or SkypeOut credits to save calling fee. Regintech Skype gateway products have been in the market for over 10 years. However, there are still lots of people not informed how to make or receive Skype calls via phone. Besides, SkyBox S1 and SkyATA can be a bridge to turn Office existing conference phones into Skype conference phones. After a company's PBX is integrated with SkyBox S1, employees can use desk phones to make Skype or landline calls. SkyBox S1 is set as Skype mode as default and flashes blue light. Press prompt key to switch to landline mode for regular calls. At this mode, the device flashes green light. Make a SkypeOut call directly via phone pad. SkyBox S1 speed dial feature can help you dial your frequent calling numbers more easily. To find your contact more quickly, just go to the speed dial page and click Contact, Skype ID, or Speed Dial individually to have the contacts displayed in the sequential order. When there is a Skype or landline incoming call, the phone rings. Simply pick up the phone and start your phone conversation. Press star 1 keys to hold the current Skype call and answer the interrupt landline call. Similarly, press star 1 keys to hold the current landline call and answer the interrupt Skype call. During a landline or Skype call, press star 2 keys to add the interrupt Skype or landline call to form a three-way conference.